Everyone, this is Lalita Singh and you're going to study science with me in class 8. Today we are discussing fourth part of chapter 16 that is called light. In this part, we will talk about the question answers related to the topic. Okay. Now, the first question which is mentioned in the book is of this chapter is checkpoint 1. Complete these sentences. First, the incident ray, the normal and reflected ray lie in same plane. Okay, they are all lying in the same plane, plane plane. Now, next is light travel in straight line. Third question, luminous objects shine by. Luminous objects shine by giving their own light. Okay, next is the angle of incident and angle of reflection are always equal. Now, irregular reflection is due to irregular reflection is due to reflection from uneven surface. Understood? Now, next is checkpoint 2. That is to state whether the answers are true or false. Okay, the first one. Kaleidoscope is used to detect the object at different height. No, it is periscope. Okay, so it is false. Next question, second number. A periscope show beautiful pattern due to multiple reflection. No, again, it is kaleidoscope which show beautiful pattern due to multiple reflection. So it is also false. Third question, in periscope, two plane mirrors are fitted at an angle of 45 degree. Yes, it is true. Okay, so periscope is having two mirrors which are fitted at an angle of 45 degrees to give us a clear view of the substance that is kept on the second end of the periscope. Okay, now fourth question, the splitting of light into 7 colors is called dispersion. Yes, it is called dispersion. True. Fifth question, the sunlight is made up of yellow color. No, it is made up of white color. So it is false. Okay. Now next question is after checkpoint 2 is, just see, have a look. Checkpoint 3, answer in one word. Okay, first question of this is a transparent cover of the eye. A transparent cover of the eye is called cornea. Okay, next is muscles that change the shape of eye lens. It is the muscle which is attached with the eye lens and that is ciliary muscles. Okay, the ciliary muscles are the one which change the shape of eye lens. Contraction and relaxation of ciliary muscle affect the shape of the lens. Next is photosensitive layer in the eye. Only one layer in the eye is there which can perceive the image or which is having a photoreceptor cell, that is retina. Okay, so answer is retina. Fourth one is at least the least distance of distinct vision for human eye is 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. Okay, now fifth question, a night bird that has large number of rod then cone cell in its eye. Owl. Okay, next is the script used to read and write by visibly challenged people. This script is named as Braille script after the name of Louis Braille. Okay, next though you will write answer over here, Braille script. Braille script is your answer. Now next is practice time. The first question, tick the correct answer. Now first question over here is which of the following is translucent object? Just see over here, glass, water, butter paper or iron sheet. Iron sheet is a opaque object. Water is transparent and glass is also transparent. So what is left? That is butter paper. Butter paper is translucent because they do not allow the light to completely pass through them. Some of the light can pass and some of them cannot. Okay, next is the image formed by a plane mirror is. A plane mirror, when image is formed by a plane mirror, it cannot be obtained on a screen and that type of image is known as virtual image. So option A is correct. Now third question, the kaleidoscope work on the principle of. The kaleidoscope is working on the principle of multiple reflection. So the option D is the correct answer. Now fourth number question, the lens of human eye is biconvex, concave, biconcave or plane. It is actually biconvex. The lens of human eye is biconvex. Okay, now fifth number question, in human eye the image formed at The image is formed at retina. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, now next is stray, true or false. The object which shine by giving their own light are called luminous object. It is true. Okay, second is the transparent object allow all the light to pass through them. Transparent object, yes, they allow all the light to pass through them, so it is true. Now third question, regular reflection of light take place from a smooth surface. Of course, it is also true. Now fourth number question, the iris regulate the amount of light entering into the eyes. Yes, true. Iris is the one which which can increase or decrease the size of pupil. Okay, and because of this it can also control the amount of light which is entering into the eyes. Okay, now fifth question, there is no blind spot in the eyes of some people. Not possible, because blind spot is what? The area where optic nerve emerged out. If optic nerve is not over there, so impulses will never be transferred to the brain and the person will never be able to see. If this is a case that a person is not having a blind spot, it means they are completely blind. Okay, so it is false. Understood? Now very short answer type of question, like section C. First one is, name the type of reflection that take place from an irregular surface. Okay, type of reflection from irregular surface is diffused reflection. Okay, understood? Next is, name the device used to detect object at different height. It is periscope. Periscope is used to detect the object at different height. Okay, next is, name the script that help to read and write visually challenged people. It is Braille script. Okay, fourth question, what type of mirror is used as a looking glass? Do we use concave or convex or plane? Just think about it and think about the glasses that you are using in your home as a mirror. It is plane. Okay, so the glass which we use to look at our reflection is plain glass. Okay, understood? Next is, question number 5, which nerve pick up the message of the image formed at retina? It is optic nerve. Okay, optic nerve can pick the message from the retina. Now question number D, short answer type of question. The first question, what are luminous and illuminated object? Okay, luminous object are those which can emit their own light. Okay, luminous objects are those which can emit their own light, whereas illuminated objects are those which can shine by reflecting the light. Okay, illuminated objects are those which can shine, but they shine due to reflection of light because they do not have their own light. For example, moon is a illuminated object, whereas sun is a illuminated object. You can see over here, it is given. Understood? Illuminated and illuminated object. The whole paragraph is your answer. Next question. Just let's have a look of next question. Second number of D. Okay, second question of D is, what are the laws of reflection of the light? Okay, the laws of reflection state 2 points very clearly for you. The first point is, the angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, the law of reflection state 2 points, and that is, angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection, and the second is, incident ray, reflected ray and normal always lie in the same plane. Okay, these are the laws. Over here given 2 points, when ray of light fall on a smooth plane surface, it is reflected in the same medium in such a way that angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. You will write these both points. Okay, these 2 points has to be written by you. Understood? As an answer. Now move toward the next question, that is, okay, third question, what is the difference between regular and irregular reflection of light? Regular reflection is very clear, okay, whereas irregular reflection is blur. Understood, class? Regular reflection is clear, sharp, whereas irregular reflection is blur. Regular reflection is caused due to reflection of light from smooth surface, whereas irregular reflection is caused due to reflection of light from irregular surface. Understood? So, third point in a regular, the incident ray, if parallel, the reflected ray will be parallel as well. Whereas, if in case of irregular reflection, even if the incident rays are parallel, the reflected ray will never be parallel, because all of the rays when hitting the surface, they are having different, they are having normal in different direction. Okay, this is all for this differentiation between them. Next is, what is dispersion of light? Okay, dispersion of light means when the light pass through a changed medium, light rays get a reflect, and this is called dispersion of light. Okay, splitting of light, white light into 7 color. No, this is not sufficient. Okay, splitting of light into 7 color after passing through a prism is called dispersion. You will write the answer from here. The splitting of white light into 7 colors after passing through a prism is called a dispersion. Okay, next question. Just a second, class. Have a look at the next question. What is myopia? How can it be corrected? Myopia is a eye disease. Okay, myopia is eye disease, which is also known as nearsightedness. Means the person can clearly see the near object, but they cannot see the far away object. You will write the whole paragraph about myopia, because the defect can be cured by using a spectacle which is concave in lens. Okay, spectacle having concave lens. You will write the whole paragraph as an answer, because over there you have description of myopia as well as its cure. Next, class. Okay, so it is done. Section D is done. Now we are moving towards section E, long answer type of question. The first question, what are the characteristic of light? What are the characteristic of light, class? It is given in the very beginning of the chapter. These are, it is a form of energy, it is the fastest traveling energy, 3 lakh km per second is the speed of light in vacuum. They need no medium to travel, they even can travel through the vacuum. Light can travel in straight line, they are never in bent line, they do not travel in bent line. Whenever the light direction change is, it is because due to reflection. No object are visible in absence of light. White light is having 7 color in them, that is also termed as violet, indigo, blue, green, orange and red. Okay, and white light fall on the opaque surface, it is getting reflected back. That is why we are able to see the object, because of reflection of light. Understood? Next is second question, describe an experiment with a diagram to verify the law of reflection. Okay, no problem. Over here we are having a experiment to verify the law of reflection. Understood? Over here, activity 1. This is the activity that you have to write, as well as this is the diagram you should draw. Make sure to attach a paper. Okay, a paper on which you have done this activity, as clearly stated in the previous video, how we have to do this activity. You are not supposed to draw it, but you are supposed to pin the paper in which you have performed the activity. Understood? But you will mark it as well by drawing. After pinning the pins over there, after performing this experiment, okay, draw it very neatly and stick the paper with your answer. Now next is class. What is a periscope? Describe its working. Okay, working of periscope. Yes, over here. The structure and description about its working all is given in this paragraph over here. The diagram has to be drawn by you as well. You have to draw the diagram as well. Okay, class. Now move toward the next question. number 4. Describe the working of human eye. For that, we will move to the page number. Just see over here, page number 216. Over here, working of eye has clearly been explained. The reflected ray of light from the object into the eyes through cornea, its amount is controlled by the iris and pupil. The light passes through the aqueous humor, the lens, okay, and then the vitreous humor in such a manner that inverted image of the object has been formed. The photoreceptor and in the retina detect the brightness and the color of the object, and the message of the image formed at retina is picked up by optic nerve and taken to the brain so that we can actually see. The optic nerve is a bundle of nerve which collect the visible signal from the retina, invert it on the way, and transmit it to the brain for us to see the object in erect manner. Okay, erect object. Over there you will write, okay, up to that point. Now next question is, let me have a look. 5th number question. List a few ways to take care of the eyes. It is also given how to take care of the eyes. Okay, you will write them on care for eyes. You just write 5 points from these points. Okay, care of the eye. First, you should not rub the eyes. Second, eye should be washed every day with the fresh and clean water at normal temperature. Okay, 5 points has to be written from over here. If any dust particle enter in the eye, splash lots of clean water to clean it out. If the particle has not been removed, just visit the doctor to to take care of your eyes. Never look at the bright source of light directly. Okay, next is 6th number question. Study the given figure and answer the following question. Now, this is the figure that is given over here. And now we have to look at the question. Label part 1 to 5. Okay, what is 1? 1 is lens. Okay, and 2 is pupil. 3 is iris. 4 is retina. And 5 is blind spot. Okay, now next question. Which part form the image of the object? Which part forms the image? Okay, so which part is forming the image? It is eye lens. Okay, because of the eye lens, the image is formed over retina. Understood? Next is, where is the image formed in human eye? Okay, the retina is a place where the image is formed in human eye. Next is, where does the light enter the eyes from? Okay, part 2, pupil. Pupil is a place where the light enter into the eyes. Okay. Next is, why is the part 5 called so? Okay, part 5 is called blind spot because over here no photoreceptor cells are formed. No photoreceptors are present. So even though the image is formed over there, nothing will be received. It will appear as a blank or blind, okay, a black dot. That is why they are termed as blind spot. Okay, now next is hot question. Can you see a rainbow after the rain if sun does not begin to shine? No. Sun rays are compulsory. Okay, sun rays are compulsory for the formation of rainbow. If raindrops are over there and sunshine is also, sun rays are also there, only then can we see the rainbow. Now next is, an owl can see even in complete darkness, but we cannot. Why? Because owl eyes are kind of large. They are having more rod cells, okay, in comparison to us, so they can easily see in the darkness as well, but we can't see because our pupil is kind of very small in comparison to owl, and we are not having that amount of rod cell in our eyes. Okay class, so this is all for today. In next video we will talk about next chapter. Until then, have a nice day everyone.